right, guys, welcome back to the live stream. It's been quite some times I didn't do the live stream, to be honest, and a lot of people told me like you have everything, so please do the live stream and let's do it. We're starting now. Let me just make some changes first. Okay. Okay. I think everything is set, most likely. I hope there is no lag in the stream. Everything should be clear and visible. Hmm. Okay, let me quickly. Okay, I think we can start off. Okay, we can start. Tell me, guys, like if you're watching the live stream, please do chat and let me know if you have any questions or anything. And in the meantime, let me go through this trade. I have just taken one trade here. Okay, that is sell on gold. And the reason I have taken is let's go from the daily time frame and explain you guys. I'm gonna first go to this daily candle. You can see that it started from Asian session and it started moving up, and we didn't have any drawdown basically. So we just had a minor pullback, and I feel like this is a huge move up for this the start of the day, and we can see a minor pullback till this area whenever we have tapped into 4229. So we have mostly seen our rejections, and that would be heavy rejections, you can see, right? So I'm expecting similar move, but not that much. I'm just expecting something around 50% of the Asian range. So you can see we have started since here. This is the Asian move up, and I'm expecting in London we can pull back around these levels where I'll close my partials and let the rest run if it taps around these levels. Okay. So that is the trade is running right now. We are doing it on basically a funded account, and I have my personal account running. So that's it. Let's see. Let me make a Instagram story as well so people can join if they want to through Instagram. Actually, my Instagram got banned recently. What type of trader are you? A day trader, swing trader, and why did you choose that? So I'm kind of doing scalping and day trading. Scalpings when I'm done with the day, and I have done trading basically. Okay, and day trading is something like I do usually. Like once I open a trade, that would be my first. For an example, this is my first setup, right? And the second setup I will take in New York session. The reason I'll take in New York session is because we have a lot of news. When I say a lot of, let me pull up this. You can see we have core PC price index, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectation. And I think there's some changes going on. So I think we'll have quite good momentum. So you can say I'm not a swing trader, but a day trader and a scalper. Mostly I like to do scalps where I'm basically not trading. I'm sorry if you guys don't have any questions, then I won't be able to, talk much here. So usually I play games on a live streams when I'm trading as well, but I don't feel like right now I can play any games. So I might just stay here for a while and see. These influencers and traders teaching London session, kill zones, ICD, SMC, etc. Do you think banks and institution actually knows or care about these things? According to me, I don't think bank or institutions or any hedge fund give fuck about your trading. To be honest, they don't. They don't fuck about your stop loss. Like, tell me they are trading like $1 billion on things, right? And do you think they care about your $10 stop loss? Just run your mind. I don't think so. Like, it's not possible. But yes, I do think that way, that this algorithm, you see this candle moving up and down, that is designed way to grab some liquidity. It designed in a way that whenever you put your trades, it does go, or basically opposite way, and then it's turn around and going your way. So it does manipulate, I feel like, because my own strategy is based on manipulation as well. So like, I do wait for the session liquidities or the highs and lows of the sessions. So I also trade like that basically. But I don't think like banks or institutions give a fuck about these things. How much time it take to be a good trader? I guess a lot. I feel like it will take 4 years or so, but it depending. If you have a good mentor, then it could be like done in 2 years. But it will take some time to develop things in your mind to become a trader. I have 1 year of experience and I tried many strategies to improve my win rate, but no strategy could give me more than a 50% win rate. So I decided to focus on this to reward. Bro, my own win rate is like 40 to 50%. No one's can get a 90% win rate. Like, that is ridiculous. So what you are the win rate you have is pretty good, and don't shift your strategy. Just stick to one strategy, and every strategy work in this market. It just risk to reward and risk management. Also, risk to reward is something, also there are some things that I don't like about risk to reward. So for an example, you can see my current trade, it is 1:3, right? But at the same time, I know that I cannot put my TP here, because I know that in my mind this trade might come just till here. So that will be 1:2. So I need to cut my trades, at least 50% of it around these levels, So I will cut off 50% here and let the rest run basically. So that's what I will do. So risk to reward is still optional thing. I feel like it's just your instinct, or you can say your way of looking at the market where you need to cut your things, losses and winners at the same time. Some key points for beginners: just takes less trades. Not You don't need to trade every day. You need to trade less. To be honest, like last this month, October, November, and current December. December have a rough price action, and a lot of people have problem. And at the same time, I feel like in October and November the price action was good, but increased my risk and I made some losses. So I feel like the risk management is most important part there. All right. So we are approaching almost like, we are approaching this level, and I feel like price is struggling to move down or something. Let me just open my MT5 and see like where can I cut my trades. I feel like price do have volume. It's showing some volume here now. Question is how long it will take to reach this level. Let's see. Almost there. So let me just go to 15-minute time frame. We have 7 minutes left. 20-minute time frame is fresh candle publishing this level. I feel like we will have a rejection sooner or later here. So on a 1 minute time frame, if I start seeing some rejections, I might close partials. Okay. If I see any rejections, candle, pushing back up, so I might close partials there. Do you think it's better to pass a pro-form account fast than trade live account slowly? What's your view on this? I feel like you should have both accounts, personal and the pro-form account. So with the pro-form account, how I usually do it. So to be honest, I didn't have enough money at a time where I cannot purchase multiple funded accounts and risk wisely, right? So what I did here, okay, wait, let me just, secure some here. Okay, let I think I close one position on my personal account there. Anyway, so back to your questions. So I feel like you should have both accounts. You should have personal account and the funded account. And my view on this is like on a personal account, you risk less and manage your risk and go slow. And at the same time, on a funded account, if you are on a phase one, go wide. When I say go wide, that doesn't mean like you forgot your risk management and risk everything on one trade, but have a edge on your plays. For an example, let's assume that this trade, I didn't know it will go to my TP or not. This was like a you can say 50% of the like a type, not a type A setup basically. That's all I will say. I knew that price is moving up. We are approaching a strong level. Okay. So I took a sell based on that. I just waited for price to, start rejecting this level. So I see that we had a rejections here. We had a 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 rejections and took a trade. Okay. Now this is a simple scenario there. Now there are some trades where I see this is a type A setup where I risk on my personal account and on funded account I risk a lot, like 50% basically. Let's assume that I have on a day I have like 5%, right? So I'll risk 3% directly, 2 to 3% on a type A setup, and from there it goes. But usually, like if I don't have enough money, assuming on a one account, right? So I'll just go slow on both accounts and take some withdrawals on a personal account by the end of the week or so and enjoy that money basically. And with funded account, I'll slowly pass phase one, phase two, and then to be honest, let me show you. Like if you're talking about funded account, let me show you my own things. Like I lost a lot to be honest. I have lost countless funded account to be honest. Okay, but I have $5,000 and I'm thinking to buy 7 to 8 from accounts of 50K each. I'll pass the challenge quickly with Harris and manage my past tokens. Get a payout from them. I'll recover more than what I invested. Mm, have you ever passed any funded account before? That will be my question. Have you ever passed even a single funded account before? See here, I close 50% here, and price is rejecting crazy. It's really important to know your exits when you enter as well. So I knew that price could reject this level, and it was approaching this level here, and I knew like I need to close something there because I don't want to lose everything, right? I don't want to lose the whole things here. Bro, if you're on a losing streak and if you have not even passed any funded account before, I won't suggest you to put $5,000 there and risk everything. My suggestion is manage your risk on that things. Like get one account, let's assume 50K funded account, and go from phase one, phase two. And when you have one single funded account, right? And you have take like live funded account, then you try to risk more on the other funded account. because you already have in reserve something. So now see, price is rejecting now. Here's the thing. Now this is a good rejection. So what do you see? What do you see here right now? We had a break of structure. Okay. Then since then in London session, price been making a lower low, you can say, right? And here it made another. Now it if it's try to make another low, that will be easily my TP basically. But at the same time, let's see. We cannot say anything for certain. In 1 minute, we have 15-minute closure. We have this area which price will react to. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Let's tell me, like, in terms of this live stream, like, you can hear me properly. Is there any lag in the live stream or anything like that? Because I cannot see my own live stream. Like, I need to check on my phone or something. But I guess there are some viewers, so they can let me know if there's any. Oh, let's see, 30 minutes. So last 15 minutes left. For 1 hour, we have this is a new 1 hour candle, so we might tap in and we have some imbalance here, so we might tap it as well. Right. Interesting. Okay, price is trying to make new low here. If it does make a new low, that would be continuation then. I usually don't do the live stream is because it requires a lot of time, to be honest, and it's tough. It's tough to, I salute to the people who do daily live streams. There's a lot of people who do live stream every day. They show up and take a trade live. And to be honest, I cannot do that is because the way I trade is something like there is no proper timings, to be honest. Like I cannot say I'll take trade in London session, but if I don't see a setup, I don't trade. So there are sometimes I don't trade. This was a pretty clean trade, to be honest, right? We had a move up, rejections, rejection, 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 and then move down. How much we are up right now? We are up around some dollars, some certain dollars. I can show you on one funded account. So I had some, okay, let me show you here. I don't know if you can, but yeah, anyway. So I had some losses, you can say here, right? This is a phase one. Okay. I had some losses, and after that loss, I took this trade and I'm trying to recover this back to 50K and go from there. Maybe I'll make a video about this and tell you guys more, like how things are going. Oh, yeah. Anyway, and I think I also have a feature trade running. Let me see how that's going. Okay, we are up around $54 on this one. This is a feature account, like a gold feature. You can see we are up around $50. We need to make, I don't know how much, to be honest. Let's see how much we need to make. Uh, my profit target is around $3,500. So yeah, I need to make around $2,500. So let's see. Currently, I think my target is around 100 $200 or so. Not much. Right now, price is dropping, and I think it's a similar trade. This one, like this one. Okay, we have tapped into this level, guys. So let's see. Okay, this is a new 15-minute candle, if I'm not wrong, and it's breaking the low immediately. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. We have a doji candle there. So I don't wanna, you know, I closed one more position on the Funnit account, and I'll close another on this one. Okay. Should we close our futures as well? I have 10 quantity short and it's still running. But I feel like price might move down because this is a good momentum. We might retrace back. We can put things at break even and manage our asset basically. We can get here. Uh, yeah. Yeah, let's see. 10 minutes we have, right? Let's see. 10 minutes left for this 30-minute closure. Once we have 30-minute closure, then we can decide what price will do. So there are two things it can happen, okay? First, it could just does not respect this level at all and drive down till here. That is the first scenario. And second, it will respect this level. It will consolidate and then move back up. Okay. So overall, what I am looking for the day is price might tap into these levels and these levels. If we have a deeper pullback till here or maybe here, then in New York session I'll be looking for buys. I just want a better price. Basically, I want a discounted price where I can take a better trade and hold it till this longs. I think what price will do basically is tap into these levels and then move back up till 4272. That will be the overall view on my side. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we are seeing some rejections at this level. You see, we had a good move up, down, and now this didn't made a proper low. It just made a wick. So there is some really good chance that it would move up from here. And on a 5 minute candle, we can see there are multiple candles rejecting as well. 15 minute is turning flipping bullish, I guess. And 30 minute, we have sun left. So if this 30-minute candle also flip bullish, then most likely we're gonna tap into these levels again and before we reject. Might so you might just like what we can expect from price right now is reject, come back up, tap into this level, come back down, and then might just consolidate or move up in New York session, something like that. Yeah, we are seeing some now really strong bullish momentum, you see. Mhm. Yeah, price is coming back up. As long as it's respecting this high, I am not able to close any more position. As long as it's respecting this high, I'll stay in the trade once it. But I think if it goes above this high, it's gonna be like one huge candle boom. That's it. Okay, let's see. Till then, we have no idea what the fuck we're gonna do. I don't know, like, do we, what we can do on live stream? Like, I don't know, guys, any suggestions? What should I do on a live stream besides trades? Like, in trading, we need to wait a lot. So, I don't know what the fuck should I do. 5 minute candle is closing in around 10 seconds. Once this candle closes, if it closes bearish, then most likely the next candle will again tap into this level or maybe just level and might flip bullish or might just continue moving down. Okay, it's immediately went down. So that means like price might flip bullish later on. I'm getting a call. Let me mute myself. Okay. Price is flipping bullish now. Oh, we have a strong bullish momentum. So that means 30-minute candle flip bullish there. As I said, I told you, like, if we break this high, we might see a strong momentum. So I'm gonna close this trade on features. I don't wanna for now risk anything. If features I can risk, but I don't know. I don't want to risk on this trade. Okay. Now, if we are flipping bullish, on 15-minute, 30-minute, I think 1 hour as well. So I'm gonna close everything here. I don't know if this will stay bullish or not, but I want to close things there. I'm out of the trade. No longer in the trade now. Closed everything there. So I took partial sum here and I closed everything here. So I'm no longer in the trade now. That was 89 pips and we're done for now. I mean, I could have hold that trade, but I don't feel like holding. First of all, like we have a lot of news coming in, what do you call, New York session. So I think I'm gonna risk more in New York session instead of the London. There's no point, you know. Let's see. I think this is also like this made new highs. Silver just made new highs. You can see pretty strong momentum there. So if we do, you know, retest back around 53 or 52 or so, I think buys will be pretty amazing putting SL here and hold it for the all long run. And but yeah, I think we are good. BTC is continue moving down. We are at 91,000. Like we are respecting the lows here, so there's a possible chances that we might come back around 100K or so. But yeah, I don't trade this. I just only trade gold. Most likely, you can see I have only traded gold only. No the best. Ooh, price came down again. Damn. I should have hold that trade. That was a pretty good one. Huh? No, but like, see, here's the thing. You see, price have been moving down. It had to take a pullback, but at the same time, if this just not a pullback, okay, think about it. This was just a manipulation and just to take some, you know, retest. And once it's done, then it might just continue moving up. And we are in a bull run. Like price is bullish. I don't want to, you know, hold a counter trade and never hold this. Okay, when the price is bullish, never hold a counter trade. Try to close it as soon as you see rejections. Anyway, I don't think so. We have any other things to do. I mean, I just wanted to go live because I have not done any live for quite some time and see like how many people are joining. And I feel like we can, if we do live every day, we might see more here. But let me know, like if whenever you watch this live stream and think like should we do live stream more or not, just let me know. Comment down on this live stream if we should do more live stream or not. Okay. But right now, yeah, this is what we have taken. Our initial SL was above this level. Then we trailed down once we hit this level. Okay. And our initial TP based on a 15-minute time frame, we had our initial TP at this level, around 4213 or so. But anyway, we had to close down when we see this rejection. Now also keep in mind that new 15-minute candle was just making a, you know, wick. And once this flip bullish, we can see price dropping into this range. Okay. We can take a buy here, but no, I don't feel like we should. At the moment, I don't think so because 30-minute also making a top. It's tough. I don't feel like we should. We just get out from one trade. Let me see how much is it. Interesting. So let's see later on. Anyway, I think that's it for today's live stream. We'll see you guys later. If I feel like doing live stream, I'll do it. Like, let me know. We'll see. Thank you for watching the live stream. Anyone who joined, thank you, Arun, for questions, Ainat, and everyone. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow or later on, later off the week or so. Okay. Have a good day. Bye, guys.